Hello everyone, welcome to GIS RS Solution. Sometimes while working in ArcGIS Pro, we cannot find the contents, catalog, geoprocessing tools, create features, attribute panels, and many more panels. These panels may be unintentionally or somehow removed from the interface. In this video, you will learn how to restore these panels and bring them back into the ArcGIS Pro interface. So let's get started. For example, if you face this kind of situation, what you can do here, we can see the content is not visible here. Also other panels like catalog or geoprocessing, create features and others you cannot see here. So how you can bring back here in the interface. If you want to show the content here, just go to view and then just click here under windows, just click here contents. So it is showing here. And if you want to show the catalog and other panels, just uh, click here for catalog. It is showing the catalog, and you can see it is geoprocessing. So just click here, then geoprocessing will appear. You can see over here, and here's the task. Just click here, then you can see the task panel here. And if you want to add workflow manager, just click here. You can see here workflow has been added. And also for create features and modify features, just go to edit, and then you can see over here the create. Just click here, create features, and you can see create features panels has been added. And for adding modify features, just click here. You can see the modify features has been added also. And if you want to add attribute, then just click here in the attribute under edit tool. So you can see attribute panels has been added also. And if you want to add create convert coordinates and other panels, just go to maps, and you can see here, yeah, this one, coordinate conversion. So just click here, and coordinate conversion panels has been added. And also if you want to add the search, then just click here to add, yeah, locate this search has been added. It's very simple. If you mistakenly or somehow lost any pens in ArcGIS Pro, you can easily add them back using this method. I hope you found this tutorial easy and useful. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy.